This is a video of my 42-inch polished brass Harbor Breeze Armitage ceiling fan. I got this thing off eBay brand new in the box. The blades are reversible from rosewood to oak, and as you can see, I had to put an extension on here so I could actually reach it. Um, there's the original box. So anyways, back to the fan. The reverse switch is actually kind of janky on this thing. Up is down and down is up. I know, it was installed backwards from the factory. Without further ado, we will demo. Here's low. One thing I forgot to mention is this thing is light kit adaptable. But it didn't come with one. But I do have that wire hooked up in case I ever decide to put a light on it. Here's medium. And here's high. That thing is crazy fast. And we will turn it off. So this is a 42-inch model. One thing I forgot to mention in the beginning of this is this fan was made January 1998, manufactured by Heritage. I do have all the original paperwork and all that, so yeah. So be sure to check that out. Sorry about that, I had to go do something, but yeah. Sorry about that. If I had to leave, there's a little bit of noise. I had to address it, but yeah. While this is spinning down, I guess I'm going to talk about some stuff about this fan. Is that it's 3 speeds, electrically reversible, and it moves a shit ton of air. This fan is 24 years old. I don't know. This is the year 2022, so in the comments, please tell me how old this thing is. Here is low and updraft mode. Now, this is what it's currently on in the wintertime right now because it tends to get kind of hot in here, and I need this to circulate the heat. Plus, it also saves energy. Plus it also saves money on the utility bill. I don't pay for it, my parents do, but I do what I can to make the utility bills lower. Here's medium. And here's high. And off. Now, if you look in the video, the blades do look a little blackish, but that's just the way the lighting is. The blades are rosewood. That's what side's facing down. I will do a video on this fan where I have the oak side facing down. So be sure to check that one out. We get this video 50 likes, then I will do a video of this fan with the blades, or with the oak blades facing down. Another thing I'm going to tell you about is the original pull chain that it came with. Well, it's attached, obviously. It was very short. Couldn't reach it, so I had to put an extension on it, obviously. Um, Another thing is that this fan does plug into the outlet, so you can probably see that orange cord. Don't have attic access, so came up with my own solution. Um, that is it. This has been a video of my 42-inch polished brass Harbor Breeze Armitage ceiling fan. Peace.